Right, time for trimming the old beams stop. So I'm coming across here, both sides. Let's crack on. Time to do the other side. Just got to paint up the bottoms. Right, next part is to chop these body mounts off, the two brackets, and they got to wiggle across anyway. So I'm going to just cut them short of the weld. That'll be easier to get in and out. Grind down the welds because they both got to sit in further. So start chopping them off. it's been welded on nice and strong.
Yeah. That's good.
Pity I've got to undo the welds. Right, got them welds ground down. Sitting nice and flat. Tidied up the brackets there. So next job is to offer it back up. Mark where these top mounts go. And just a case of welding them back on. Now I think they both got to sit just to the side. Not worth trimming them down, I'll just leave them like that. Right, under the square back, just got to cap the beam horns. Just done one. Just got to tack on the other now. Weld that up. No. Right. That's the driver's beam horn done, all welded up. Now that's flux core using the Hitbox 2000 Mark II welder. I'll put a link on Amazon for this one. Even for beginner, it's ideal. That's without gas. Only because I'm doing the chassis welding. But yeah. Spot on. Next I've got to weld up the beam brackets. Right, tack the old beam mount on. Tab. Hey, sounding alright with that welder. Sounding alright with that.
Yeah.
Right, tack, and I'll fully weld around off camera. Weld across, down, inside, seam seal, and that's load of paint. Just got to do the right hand side now. Slight smallest bit of seam seal here. Happy days. Just a little tack on the right hand side of the beam. solid. So the beam's just hanging. Got the 10mm spacer to go in. Yeah. And that's the main thing, is that hole lining up there. Alright. I'll leave that one here. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Got buymeacoffee.com, Amazon wish list. And now just got to build up the beam for the brakes.